Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset PNC Rewards credit card password. Easy guide step by step clearly. To reset your PNC Rewards credit card password, start by visiting the PNC website. On the home page, locate the Sign On button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign On button to access the login screen. Next, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link and click on it. You will be directed to a new page with options for password recovery. Enter your PNC account credentials as prompted. Make sure to provide the information exactly as it appears on your account. Once you have entered your details, click the Continue button. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You may receive a security code via email or text. Check your email or phone for the security code. Enter the code in the designated field on the website. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Once your password is successfully changed, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now return to the login screen and sign in with your new password. That's it. Your PNC Rewards credit card password has been successfully reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.